Hi everyone, क्या हाल चाल है? We have got a passage on anarchism. Anarchism is a very easy to understand topic. Anarchism is अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा. थोड़ी सी गर्मी लग रही है, फैन चलाने दो. Okay. Anarchism. No law and order. Mayhem. So I can see one para here, second para here, and then कितना? Third and fourth. अरे इतना dense क्यों लिखते हो? कुछ तो भी एग्जाम्पल या डेटा डाल दिया करो तो ना उससे थोड़ा सा पंक्चुएट हो जाता है. कोई बात नहीं. चलो आई चेक दिस, लेकिन उसके पहले एक बार क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं. इट कैन बी इन्फर्ड सोशल एनार्किस्ट. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड पैसेज में एनार्किज्म के अंडर में ही इज डिस्कसिंग समथिंग सच एज सोशल एनार्किस्ट. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज सिमिलैरिटीज बिटवीन सोशल एंड इंडिविजुअलिस्ट. ये भी समझ में आ गया कि दो टाइप के लोगों की बात कर रहा है, तो दोनों का सिमिलैरिटी और डिफरेंस दोनों पूछा है इसमें. ओके. नेक्स्ट, सपोर्टेड, मोस्ट सपोर्टेड बाय सोशल, तो उसके लिए आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द फंडा दैट दे फॉलो, राइट? एंड देन नेक्स्ट, व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट एक्सप्रेसेस द आइडिया ऑफ मीन्स एंड एंड्स. वील कम टू दैट. चलो. First we need to find out what this dense looking passage says. So, anarchism constitutes a philosophy arguing against statism and political orders based on authority or hierarchy. It doesn't want a government. It doesn't want a central authority. It opposes power used to secure privileges for minorities and all. It opposes power use. पावर नहीं चाहिए उसको, सेंट्रल मतलब पावर यूज गवर्नमेंट का नहीं चाहिए. To secure privileges for minorities, restrict individual liberty, and deny social lives. This. While anarchism shares with socialism, capitalism critiques and desires to replace this. Okay, it stresses. पहले तो इतना गंदा डेंस लुकिंग सेंटेंस, यार छोटे सेंटेंसेस भी लिख सकते हो. पहले इसको समझो कि क्या कह रहा है. फर्स्ट पैरा है भाई, यहां तक you need to understand this. While anarchism shares with socialism, capitalism critiques and desires to replace repressive economic structures with common ownership of production and distribution. Yahan he has forgotten to put a comma, I'll tell you. Shares with socialism. What does it share with socialism? ये आपको तभी समझ में आएगा when you are familiar with these words: anarchism, socialism, capitalism, communism, fascism. ये सब पता होने चाहिए at your fingertips literally. So, क्यों? क्योंकि हम कैट के एस्पिरेंट्स है ना. While anarchism shares with socialism, दोनों में कॉमन है. What? We don't want capitalism. We want things to come to the community. We want profits to benefit the society. Capitalism critiques. Capitalism के against, bitching, backbiting, and desires to replace repressive economic structures. इनके हिसाब से if there is a government in the center that is repressive, that actually subjugates others. So they want to replace this with common ownership of production and distribution. They say factors of production shouldn't be in the hand of the capitalist, shouldn't be in the hand of a few people. It should be just distributed among everyone. अब आपने वो सुना होगा, बंदर के हाथ में नारियल. That applies here. If every common man is allowed to handle the factors of production, can you understand what will happen? There will be absolute mayhem. They will not be able to utilize those factors properly to the optimum जिसको बोलते हैं. So let's go back to this. Common ownership in this means, okay, and distribution means according to need. It shares with socialism, but here he has given while. That means this is the common point between them. Anarchism and socialism, they don't want power, the central power. They want factors of production to be distributed. Still there is a difference point. It stresses eliminating authoritarian relationships importance wherever they emerge. Right? It stresses. What stresses? Anarchism stresses eliminating authoritarian relationships importance wherever they emerge. It also promotes needing parity of means and ends in social change processes. This includes direct action and efforts, presently environments, experimenting with new communal forms. Okay, it's understood. Anarchy doesn't want government and kind of, includes action and whatever just to bring the social change. That's enough. इतने में ही तो palpitation हो जाएगा ये पहला पैरा पढ़ के. Now we can skim a little bit, but again I'm saying if you're not familiar with the meanings of these words, these concepts, you will get stuck and you will take a hell lot of time reading the passage. Okay. Anarchists maintain what? Believing in people's capacity, lives upon, okay, skim now. While individualist, acha. So now we can see individualist anarchists, social anarchists. There is a question related, I'll come back right now, I don't need to read it. Next, fundamental to anarchist social change. So anarchist social change, here there was a difference between individualist anarchists and social anarchists, but here you're talking about anarchist social change vision. Proves, okay, an anarchist social change vision proves means and ends consistency importance. Means and ends economics tells us this. Means, limited means unlimited ends. Limited means is I have some limited resources. Ends, desires, unlimited desires. So here he says anarchist social change has something important in it. What? Vision proves means and ends consistency importance. Social anarchists don't believe authoritarian driven struggles can provide okay transgressing knowledge. Now I'm skimming. Same thing he's saying, the author is explaining the same thing again and again in different types, different ways. Okay. So they call for more liberating this besides challenging. Okay, they advocate. Cool. I just need to keep an eye out for the zones where there are difference or similarity points, as was in the previous para. यहाँ पे क्या है? Their policy, their theory, their ideal, their ideology, their belief. Now, this is the last para, I guess. यही है, हाँ, okay. It's a big para. I'm not going to read it full. Skim karo thoda thoda. I would read here and here. Now, let me show you this. This process connects intimately to liberatory pedagogies formation that question all knowledge hierarchies and support mutual learning forms facilitating choice rather than, ये ना मुझे टिपिकल एक चैट जीपीटी से उठाया हुआ पैसेज लग रहा है. उसका ही लैंग्वेज ऐसा होता है कि जैसे सब लोग डिक्शनरी के ऊपर बैठे हैं या डिक्शनरी उनके अंदर जल रही है या समथिंग. All knowledge hierarchies in this, imposing ideas or molding character. The implications for higher education epistemologies prove profound. मत पढ़ो. Education का जिक्र है. Then some recluse in this person are here. Okay. Teachers from all walks today. I'm coming to this. So education से related होगा. I'll come there. Today, community-based learning and engaged scholarship sanctioned. Most traditional colleges, okay. Real worlds, enabling students, augment, okay. While anarchists would applaud such approaches, what is happening today? They would still do something else. They would caution students for what? And faculty to take their direction in such settings from grassroots organization they are working with instead of going with the ruling power. They would suggest needing to build relationships upon, last 3 lines are important. There is a question that asks me, kuch hai anarchist ki ideology or something. So I'll come here. Build relationships upon reciprocity, accountability, reflection, जितने अच्छे words है ठूस दिए यहाँ. Sustainability foundations, extending projects, वगैरह वगैरह. This is all that you need to check from the passage. What is where में, it's very clear. There are 2 paragraphs here. Anarchism and socialism, right? The difference between them. Here we have the difference between individualist anarchists and social anarchists. Meaning of anarchists is clear. Their ideology is mentioned here. And then in this, pedagogies, something related to education. And in the end, what is something that they would support. Finished. Right? That's enough. Let's go over to the questions and see if we can handle them. So this is question number 1. Regarding education, last para. It can be inferred from the passage that social anarchists believe in which of the following? Right, I'll take you back. Social anarchists, right, right. Social anarchists. Now, let me clear this kachra. Education. The implications for higher education, this prove profound. Among the first, calling for geography as a discipline taught both inside and outside by teachers drawn from all life walks. Today, this happens. So, here if we see, it says the process connects this, higher education this, okay. Today, community-based learning gets sanctioned by even most traditional colleges, right? And universities who see value extending learning venues. right? Anarchists would applaud, still they would tell them, so they would applaud, right, such approaches. They would caution students to take their direction in such settings from this they are working with, grassroots organizations, right? And then वो ये last वाला ये तो बोला ही है इसने. Fine. यहाँ पे have they mentioned anything else about classroom outside venues? I'll go there also. Let's check there once. More liberating, critical and reflexive learning forms taught in schools and this. Education, ये भी तो है, right? More liberating, critical and reflexive learning, not the traditional learning. Besides challenging conventional knowing ways and transgressing individual disciplines, moving beyond individual disciplines and professions, set boundaries. नहीं चाहिए उनको boundaries, anarchists है ना, कुछ भी करेंगे. Let's go here. Education should be centered around the individual personality. भाई personality नहीं बोला है. He says here transgressing individual disciplines. Go beyond the disciplines. Psychology is not only psychology. Break the boundaries. Let psychology drip into philosophy. Let philosophy ooze out into geography. ऐसा बोला है इसने. Why should there be boundaries? So individual personality, this is distortion, जिसको word play कह सकते हैं simple language में. Out. Education should promote the socio-cultural dimension of individuals. I'll keep this, but socio-cultural तो नहीं था. Education should be imparted in a secular, non-coercive. इसको eliminate कर दो, ये रख लो. Non-coercive क्योंकि anarchist सही है. Education should not be the inculcation of preconceived values. Now between 2 and 3, let's go back and prove one. Secular, non-coercive, non-forceful, or it should not be with preconceived values. If you see here, he has given it. Challenging conventional knowing ways and transgressing going beyond boundaries. They advocate for transgressive relational thinking and practice as well as examining something. So going with that, with those 3 lines, this is definitely your answer. Should not be the dalna, inculcation of something that is preconceived, something that has set boundaries. This is your answer. Then, which of the following expresses the similarities between them and them? Social and individualist, difference between both. So social and individualist किधर है? यहाँ देखते हैं, यहाँ, right? While individualist, as the name suggests, personal autonomy's importance. Okay. Social seek demonstrating basing personal freedom and creative development importance on social responsibility. Strong foundations, strong collective foundations and supportive social environments. Connect with social, right? So, we go back here. Now, look at the options here. Both see individual freedom as mutual aid. Mutual aid. Okay. Difference between former and latter भी तो बोला है ना. Opposes a reconciliation between this. Both are skeptical of justifications of authority. Former, unlike the latter, cooperative aspects. Okay. यार एक तो ना कॉल मैं डिस्कनेक्ट करती चली जा रही हूँ. People don't have the decency. They keep calling. Connect, disconnect करो मतलब I'm busy. No, they'll keep calling. Okay. So ये अच्छा चलो let's get back into this. Both see individual freedom as mutual aid. ठीक है, but the latter, unlike the former, both offer a critique of capitalism. Okay, both are founded on the principle. Now this gets eliminated. Personal autonomy is individualist. ठीक है, तो ये 3 बच रहे हैं मेरे. This is question 2, right? So both see individual freedom as mutual aid. Mutual aid, latter, former and the latter. कौन है former, कौन latter? पहले ये तो decide करें. Social anarchist and individualist, right? So social former है and individualist latter, right? So but the latter, that is social, sorry, that is individualist, unlike the former, ठीक है, opposes a reconciliation. No. By it's very clear from there, they both do not like central authority, right? Yeah. Cooperation and federation and function without domination structures imposition. ये है anarchist का. But there is a difference. The difference is one focuses on personal autonomy, the other says social. बस इतना ही पकड़ लेना है हमें. The former, unlike the latter, emphasizes cooperative aspects in anarchist theory. The former is social, right? Emphasizes cooperative, this is fine. Both offer a critique of capitalism. दोनों को नफरत तो है, but the former, that is social, does not promote individuality within the framework. नहीं. Now this is extreme. Wait. There it says the individualist focuses on autonomy. That doesn't mean the social anarchists do not promote individuality. Extreme हुआ यहाँ पे, right? So this is eliminated. ये तो पहले ही बकवास था. So between this and this is good as your answer. इसमें बस क्वेश्चन कंफ्यूजिंग टाइप का बनाया था, उसको थोड़ा सा अगर आपने फॉर्मर लैटर जैसे मैंने लिखा ना कर लिया तो हो जाएगा. Okay, question number 3. Supported by social anarchists. By now we know everything about social anarchists. ठीक है? 3 कह रही हूँ. True. And then we are looking for this. We are looking for a conclusion. Supported by social anarchists. क्या करेंगे वो? They don't want a central power. They want cooperation. ये सब है, right? They don't want capitalism. Educational pedagogy पे लिया है इसने. Okay. ठीक है. Educational pedagogy in which individuals can transform themselves and function without submitting to authority. This is good. Transform, I'll have to check. An educational pedagogy which allows individuals the freedom to engage in any partnerships outside of classrooms. Any partnerships looks dicey. An educational pedagogy which instills the value of self-worth, okay, through conforming to existing. Conforming means following the conventional. Opposite, eliminated. An educational pedagogy in which value-based learning is imparted, okay, so that they can become outstanding citizens. कहाँ जाके खड़े होना है इनको? This is eliminated. It's not for becoming outstanding citizens. So I'm left with कोई भी नहीं, ये बच रहा है बस. Transform themselves and function without submitting. Okay. Transform themselves एक बार देख लेते हैं. Okay, decentering knowledge, ठीक है. Promoting self-management education, okay. Anxiety, anarchist, okay. Forcefully democratizing, promoting free, okay. More liberating, all right. Challenging, okay. Practice, fine. Implications, okay. Proof, profound, ठीक है. All right. Take that direction in such settings from grassroots. ठीक है. Transforming बोले तो इंसान से मेंढक बन गए वैसा वाला नहीं. It's like, bringing in a big change. So all the others are anyway eliminated. So this is good as your answer because overall we can infer this कि हाँ transform themselves and function without submitting to authority. This is fine. ये 3 तो वैसे भी बकवास थे. कौन सा question है ये? Third है I think. 2, 3, 4. Right. What does it say now? Which one of the following best expresses the idea of means and ends in social anarchism? Third para का I think first line है. Right. यहाँ है. Right. Let's check this. क्या बोल रहा है? Fundamental to anarchist social change vision proves what? Means and ends consistency importance. They have to be balanced. Don't believe authoritarian driven struggles, okay, can produce anti-authoritarian ends. अच्छा ये बोला है authoritarian driven struggles, if they are there, they don't believe these can produce anti-authoritarian ends. Means if you are subjugated, if you are kowtowing to the wishes of that central authority, you will not be able to reach your goals that are anti-authoritarian. So in order to reach that kind of a goal, you need to first handle the resources in a different way. You need to first change your education, change your background, change your life, bring in certain changes. यही कह रहा है. Therefore gets devoted to decentering knowledge. Yes. Right. So we go over to this. Ends and means are indifferent. क्या बकवास है? Indifferent eliminated. Husband wife थोड़े हैं कि indifferent हो गए after some years. The means are inconsequential. Only the ends matter. No. There he says in order to come up with some good ends, you need to change the means. ये बोला है इसने. Ignore the choice of means, we would achieve other ends. This is exactly what he has said. If you are not careful about what means you are choosing, you are not going to achieve the right ends. Right? So ignore the choice of means, we would achieve other ends. Though interrelated, the end is more important. Again, faulty comparison. This is eliminated, so this is good as your answer. Elimination अच्छा है in questions में. All 4 questions, I wouldn't have done all 4. इसमें एक आध में कहीं पे थोड़ा सा time taking ऐसा लग रहा था. So, you know, again that Gyan point is there. Do not focus on solving all 4 if 1 or 2 are like, you know, time taking questions. I hope these explanations are clear. Thank you guys.